Hi, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will see draw the circuits for the following logic equations by using a switch concept. Here, before drawing this, we should know what is switch. Switch can be either open or it can be closed. If it is a closed switch, then the current will pass and we'll call it as logic 1 or logic high. If it is open, we will call it as 0 or logic 0, and it is a open circuit. Then with the help of this equation, look at this, P bar plus Q into R is equals to, so here this, from here we can directly draw this, or if you want you can write like these symbols. Whenever it is bar, which is like not, the symbol of not is like this. The symbol, this symbol is called as R symbol, which is plus. This is multiplication symbol, that is symbol is like this. Next, we should write this P bar as it is by considering the one switch. Whenever it is having a plus, this P bar is parallel with this combination. The P bar is parallel with this combination, and this combination is consisting of, look at this, this is multiplication, so we should use this is in series. When it is a multiplication, it is series. When it is addition, it is parallel. So here search for the multiplication QR, so it is series Q and R. This Q and R is in parallel with P bar, so QR is in parallel with P bar. So that's what we have written here. Okay, so similarly choose the second one, P plus Q multiplied by R multiplied by S plus U plus V. So P and Q are parallel, so we should draw two switches like this. This P plus Q is ANDed with, that is in series with R, so we should write like this. Again this is in series with this SUV, but what about the sign between SUV? That is plus. So S parallel U parallel V, so we should draw like this. And this SUV is in series with R, so it is like this. Okay, so this is how we should write. Third one, P multiplied by Q plus R, which is equals to P dot Q plus P dot R. That means multiplication. So first we'll write here Q and R, plus means it is parallel, which is series with P. So we have written this P, and it is in series with this parallel combination of Q and R, which is equals to what? PQ. PQ means it is series, PR means it is series, but this series combination is in parallel with this series combination. So series is parallel with this series combination. Okay, so that is what the third one. Fourth one, with the help of this equation, this diagram, write the equation R S bar Q, and these three are in series, so write the multiplication like R S bar Q. Look at this bottom one, Q and S are parallel, so it is addition. These two are in series with this, so it is multiplication. We have written the top one like this, bottom one like this. Between the top and bottom, it is a parallel combination, so it is plus. Okay, so next one, the circuit is given like this, simple circuit. So you should draw a simple circuit from this circuit. It's a complicated circuit. Okay, for that we should write the equations by considering the switches open and close. So here we'll consider the switches. So these two are in parallel, so it is P plus Q. These two are in parallel, so it is P bar plus Q. These two are in parallel, so it is P bar and Q bar. But this whole thing is in series with this, and this whole thing is in series with this. So it is P plus Q into P bar plus Q into P bar plus Q bar. So now start multiplying this with P with P bar, P with Q bar, Q with P bar, Q with Q bar. So that is the first one. This as it is, P bar and Q. Then this P and P bar multiply with P bar. Similarly, this with the second. Next, this with this and this, this with this and this with this and this. So you will get these combinations. Later, we know that A complement of A bar equal to 0, or P complement of P bar equal to 0. So we will write q complement of q bar is 0. Such p and p bar wherever it is there, and q and q bar wherever it is there, all are zeros. What is remaining? Remaining is q p bar p bar. So a bar means it is just a bar. So if there are two bars are there, it is only one variable you should consider. So it is q into p bar. Similarly here, p bar into q and q is there. Q and q is nothing but q, like this. Now you can observe this thing is exactly same as this. So it is nothing but a plus a. What is a plus a? It is a only. So we have written this as p bar q. So this is p bar is in multiplication with q. So series combination we will use p bar and q. Okay. So what are all the rules we have used is a into a bar is 0, a into a is a plus a is a. These are the logic rules and guidelines we have used to draw this simple circuit from this complex circuit. Okay. Thank you. Stay tuned to this channel. Click on the bell icon for the latest notifications. We'll see you in the next video.